To operate effectively, the criminal justice system requires the work of trained professionals, such as police officers, prosecutors, and judges. But without the cooperation of victims and witnesses, very few criminals would be convicted and punished. And where's the fun in that? The criminal justice system depends on witnesses and victims to watch for suspicious activity, report crimes, help with investigations, and to testify against defendants. When the charges against a defendant are dropped before a trial, it is usually because the victim or witness has decided to be a spoil sport and not testify. To learn more about victims and witnesses, let's see an example of an actual crime. As you can see, little Billy is having a gay old time with his friend, George, Davie, Susan, and Marrietta La Bamba. But uh-oh, here comes Lucy, looking for trouble. Ooh, right in the stars and stripes. Come on, Billy, stop watering the plants and be a man. Oh, Billy, you'll have to be faster than that. Well, at least your friends are getting a good show. Some killjoys who witness crimes don't want to be involved and refuse to testify to worry for their safety. These scaredy cats may believe a defendant will try to harm them when they help the police. Let's remember Billy and how those Nancys he called his friends were scared of that unpleasant altercation. To deal with this, many states have enacted witness protection laws, which make it a serious crime to retaliate against a victim or witness who testifies at a criminal trial.
Now, if only we could find a way to deal with those rotten commies.
You said it, Billy. The criminal justice system is not designed to aid the victims of crimes, only to punish criminals, like cute little Lucy. But, in recent years, states have begun to find other ways to help crime victims other than by receiving compensation through suing in a civil court. As a condition of probation, many judges may decide to hit the criminals in the pocketbook, where it really hurts, and have them pay back the victims of their crimes. And in cases where restitution by the criminal isn't possible, victim compensation programs compensate the victims for medical bills and lost income resulting from crimes. They may also compensate the families of people who are now floating down the river. Because these programs are very expensive, each state has strict rules about who is eligible and how much compensation a victim may receive. Crime victims can get non-financial aid from local programs, which offer a combination of practical help for those who require it, and psychological counseling for those basket cases. They may, for example, encourage victims to testify by explaining the process, calming their nerves, and even getting their butts to court on time. The views expressed in the video and commentary are solely those of the characters and do not reflect the opinions of the cast members. No people or animals were harmed.